You already know it's glueless, and again, there goes the baby hairs being lifted. They're gonna do it every time. Like, especially for a bob like this, I feel like baby hairs is definitely gonna give you, like, look at this. I don't usually even go this deep and this hard with baby hairs, but this. Hey guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. Now today we are back with one of their pre-everything units, guys, and this is a 13x4 bob style unit. So very, very cute, guys. I'm super excited about today's hair video. You guys know today's gonna be a same day install, so everything's gonna be done on camera for you guys, and we're gonna talk it through. This is very, very simple, guys. Pre-everything means it comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it also comes with these tapes on the side just to make sure that your ear tabs stay nice and flat. Now with this unit, it does come with adjustable hooks on this unit, and it also comes with an adjustable strap. So with the pre-everything units, guys, they're pretty much glueless, so you don't have to do any gluing to this unit whatsoever. So we're gonna go ahead and play with the edges, maybe do a little baby hair, whatever, but we're gonna keep it simple, middle part style bob. The texture is absolutely gorgeous on this unit. You guys can see, look at that. Buttery, silky, soft, honey. Very, very nice. So we're gonna keep it simple and still slay. You already know the cap construction is gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my tinting spray in the inner part just to match my skin tone, and we're gonna keep it pushing. So as usual, you already know what it is. We're gonna pop this unit off and put this unit on. All right, y'all, so starting off, the wig looks really, really good. Looks nice and clean up here. You guys can't see anything. I did use a medium brown tinting spray, and I feel like the medium brown is good, but I feel like the dark brown was probably better. I don't know. I kind of felt like this dark brown one was a little bit too dark, but y'all let me know. But I did use this tinting spray. I ended up making a mess, y'all. I'm so upset. Like, the canister just exploded. I'm pissed. It's like all over the wall. I gotta figure that out. But anyways, I did go ahead and put a little bit of powder on the tape ear, and I pulled the cover off the tape. So all you're gonna do is just basically like position it and put it down. Now obviously with the tape side, I was unable to put the spray on it just because the spray is oil. It's oil based, kind of a little oily base, and you don't want to mix it with the tape. It'll kind of not make it adhesive. It won't stick well. So what I'm gonna do on the sides right here is just do baby hairs, just because baby hairs will look better, like sideburn hairs right here, just to kind of like disguise some of the tape area. So I'll just pull some hair out and do like some fluffy baby hairs on the side. Other than that, the wig fits very, very good, guys. You're just gonna basically create like some nice fluffy baby hairs on this side just to kind of, you know, hide a little bit of the tape. If you don't want to use the tape, you don't have to use the tape, but I think the tape is nice just to keep the wig in place and so that your sideburns don't kind of lift up and stuff like that. So I like the tape as an idea for these types of units. So what I'm gonna do is just pull this much hair out on both sides. I'm gonna do very like nice, like soft, wispy type of baby hairs, nothing too crazy. I'm not gonna go too crazy with this one. I might actually do a baby hair in the front right there as well too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just trim a little bit of hair off these sides. I know you guys are like, that's a huge baby hair, but y'all will see what I'm talking about. It'll look really, really nice once I style these baby hairs up on the sides. And on this side too, I'm probably gonna go ahead and just trim a little bit more of the lace off of this side as well, just because I feel like it's a lot of hair on this side, just to make it smaller. I feel like I could take some off the ear right here and a little bit on the edge right here where the tape is at. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But as you guys can see, the tape lays very flat on both sides. So that's the key to it. So it lays very flat. So we're gonna go ahead and play around with it, make it look good. I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut some lace off the ear tab section right here, just to make this fit my head a little bit better. A little bit better. All right, guys, so I got my hot tools warming up right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray on the surface. I'm not spraying this wig down, just to kind of even out the spaces where I need this to lay nice and flat. As you guys can see, very, very nice, glueless AF, but I just want to make sure that this hair stays like that so that you guys can see the sideburns once I get it nice and right. Very, very nice. They did a good job on this unit, guys, as far as tweezing it and stuff like that. I think they did a pretty good job. I think I'm gonna do baby hairs like right here. I don't know, I think I'm gonna do like 2 right here. I think right here will be really cute for 2 baby hairs. It's a nice clean bob, so it'll look really nice and natural. I don't know. I'm gonna go for it because I think it's gonna look really cute. I'm not gonna take too much hair. I think that's way too much. Probably about that much because we want to make sure it looks natural, or maybe like a little bit like right here. What y'all think? Right here, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this surface as well too, just to make sure that you guys can see the separation. So y'all know. Look at that scalp, honey. Look at that scalp. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my wax stick as well too, just to separate those areas out so y'all know where we doing the baby hairs at. So already, look at how gorgeous this wig lays. Like, gorgeous. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side as well too. Get a nice little baby hair around here. And you guys can see the hair. Look at this lace. Look at these knots on this lace. Absolutely stunning, honey, okay? Very, very realistic, very, very nice. Like they did a really, really good job with that. I feel like that's a good amount. Y'all think that's too much? I don't think it's okay. Maybe we could pull a little bit more extra out of here because that's a lot. But I think, yeah, I think this is good. Let's see. I think that's giving what it needs to give. You hear me talking myself through this. I do, even without recording this, I do this, guys. You gotta talk yourself through your hair video so you don't mess it up or when you're installing your wig. You know? So, okay. And I like to leave it like that so then you guys can see, look how natural that, look at that. Y'all see that? Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and just trim these. I know people be talking about them hitting the eyebrows, so I try not to get mine to hit the eyebrow too close because that shit be looking embarrassing sometimes, so I don't want to have the eyebrow touching baby hairs. I know how y'all like to cap. So, yeah, look at that, guys. Very glueless. I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. Put it back down. Very, very glueless. You can go ahead and shift it. Very nice and glueless. So, what I'm going to do now is take my hot comb, and I'm going to go ahead and slide that up on the side right here. Just to make sure, like I said, everything is separate so we know where our hair is laying and where it needs to be. And you guys can see, look at that lace in the very front. It's very nice and delicate. They tweezed this baby to perfection, honey, okay? You don't have to put no tweezers on this whatsoever. Obviously, I'm gonna open the middle part up, but I just want to show you guys how silky, soft, and gorgeous this hair is. Like, look at that. Like, look at how gorgeous this hair is. Just hit it with some hairspray just to make sure everything stays in place. You already know. So I definitely have to trim these up because these are a little bit too long for my liking. Didn't realize how long I made these, but I'm gonna trim these off a little bit. You guys can see it's gonna cover up some of that tape that's there just to give you like a little, you know, baby hair swing or action. I actually like that. I'm actually happy I did that. It just makes it look fun and not just like a boring old bob without a little bit of character. It gives the bob like a little bit more of character. So what I'm gonna do is, you guys already know, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my Got2b glue, and I'm gonna spray it on the back of the comb like this. And then we're gonna go ahead and push that through on the baby hairs because it's gonna freeze the baby hairs up without making it like too like frozen. You guys know what I'm talking about. We're not making it look too unnatural. We just want it to freeze up a little bit so it stays in place. That's a large sideburn baby hair, but we're going with it because it's cute, okay? So we're gonna go with it. I do like this one to look a little bit, you know, a little swoop-de-doop right here. So you wanna go ahead and do that. And if you wanna go ahead and tap it a little bit of spray after, you can. Obviously this is going to be glueless, so you guys are going to see it's going to lift right up once I pull the wig off, and it's going to land right perfectly back down. So we just want to get that baby hair to swing. Oh, it's looking cute, honey. Okay, baby hair on a bob. What? And we're going to go ahead and swing that one down as well. You want to hold it down. I know some people use hair blow dryer just to freeze everything up, but I'm going to go ahead and put the band on just because, why not? Even if I'm not gluing this unit down, the band will help the baby hair stay in place too. So I do go ahead with the band as well. Come on, honey. We're eating. All right, y'all. So I'm letting that little band marinate on the baby hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this unit out. So I think I'm gonna put the hot comb, I said hot comb, the straightener through it a little bit. Y'all, that whole Diddy drama stuff is unbelievable. For some reason, I'm telling y'all, I never liked that man. Like, I never ever vibe with Diddy. Like, it was never a thing. Like, I just never cared for that man. Like, it's just a lot of mess going on. I was watching the clip while I was, you know, waiting for this band to do his thing, and I decided to just bring it up to y'all. But what are y'all thoughts about that whole Diddy situation? Like, what, bro? Like, why do you think it's okay for you to put hands and feet on somebody? Like, I'm really trying to understand that. Like, when did you guys think that it was okay? When did men think that it was okay to put hands and feet on somebody and think they wasn't gonna get caught? Like, it's just embarrassing. Like, you got all the money and all the quote unquote power, but when it comes to a woman, y'all just really feel like y'all gotta put hands and feet on women. Like, it's just crazy to me. And again, it's lack of self-love. It's really lack of self-love. Like, that's all it is. Hatred for women. And honestly and truly, from my perspective, I just think, honestly, he was probably jealous of Cassie. And he's probably a buzzie, and he was probably jealous of Cassie and probably wanted to be Cassie. He was probably jealous because she was beautiful. Because these dudes were really competing against females. Like, I can see that because he's an undercover buzzie. So I'm pretty sure that was his whole agenda. Like, it's embarrassing. Like, be yourself, bro. Like, don't take that out on other people. Like, you're weird. You're really, really weird. The behavior is just so weird. So I'm just trimming a little bit of ends because I want it to be like a little bit, you know, like middle partish. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this band off, guys, and that's basically gonna be it. I didn't really strain it too much. I feel like I did, you know, a little solid, decent job on it. But let's go ahead and pop this off. And you go, oh, wow. See, I'm telling you, the baby hair, oh my God. Yes, honey. Oh my God. I'm telling you, the baby hair is gonna do it. They're gonna do it every time. Like, especially for a bob like this, I feel like baby hairs is definitely gonna give you, like, look at this. I don't usually even go this deep and this hard with baby hairs, but this, look at that, guys. Look at how gorgeous this is. Do y'all see this? And that was effortless. Look at that, beautiful. Like, come on. Very, very cute, y'all. Like, just perfect. And y'all already know it's Glueless, honey. Come on, look at this. Look at the baby hairs. I'm lifting the baby hairs up. I'm lifting the baby hairs up. I'm lifting the baby hairs up. And you go ahead and slide it right back down. And the baby hairs, like I said, because they're textured baby hairs, they will remain like that. Like, even by lifting it up, the baby hairs will stay in the same position in the same way. Look at that. They'll fall right into place because you already sprayed it with stuff, so they'll kind of just formulate and stay where they're at. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I do like a little bit of a thicker baby hair on like a bob unit. It just makes it, like, gives more character. Do y'all see that? I'm like really, really like gushing over this. Love it. And the back of the unit kind of cuffed underneath, so I think I'm just gonna cuff the front underneath too, just to make it all go, you know, unison. I do really, really like this texture too. The texture is lovely. Lovely. Ooh, I'm hyped. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I ended up going in and adding like 2 bobby pins on each side just to do like a cute little hairstyle. I absolutely love this, guys. Very nice. Now, again, I always cap about I'm never doing baby hairs, but this looks really, really cute, guys. Very, very simple. And like I said, the baby hairs, I fixed them so that therefore they can be lifted and still remain the same. You just got to use a little bit of hard hairspray on there and just really make sure you put that band down. It'll keep the baby hairs in place and styled, but it's also easy for you to lift the wig up and still get that same placement of the baby hairs. You already know it's Glueless, and again, there goes the baby hairs being lifted. Even with the tape, guys, I just popped my little earring out right here. Even with the tape, look at that. You can lift this one up and put it right back down. Like, are you kidding me? Look at that. Wig wear. Wig wear. Wig wear. Even on this side too as well, guys. Look at that. Look at that nice clean baby hair there. We did a nice swigger on the side here. Go ahead and lift that one up on both sides. Easy. Just because that tape is there, you lift it up, put it right back down, and there we go. Fresh, clean, back in position. Can't tell me nothing. Absolutely love this. Look at that little swing, and it goes right back into the position that we had it in originally. I absolutely love this, guys. The 13x4 pre-everything units are perfect. This one, I showed you guys a little bit of styling with this one. I think the styling is very cute. Definitely something fun and ready for the spring and summertime. Obviously, you guys can see the lace is impeccable AF. Like, look, y'all, look at that right there. Like, are they serious with this? Look at that lace. They tweezed and pre-plucked this unit to the T, guys. The wig lays down very nice, effortless. I didn't do that much of this unit. All I did was just style it, and it's a simple style. That's it, guys. Got a little baby hair in it and kept it pushing. So, very, very nice. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video, guys. I believe all the links down below, guys, per usual, including a coupon code. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.